residents don't pay rent, so when you're unable to pay rent, you accrue rental arrears. And this is the money that you owe to Housing ACT. When you accrue a bit of that, Housing ACT are entitled to send you a letter called a Notice to Remedy. This is a formal legal letter. It'll usually say Notice to Remedy at the top, and it will have some information about it, about how much money they think that you owe. It'll give you a date by which you need to pay back that money, and if you can't do that, then Housing ACT might send you another letter that's called a Notice to Vacate, and it will give you a date that says you need to leave the house by that time. Usually it's at least 14 days from when you receive that letter. Now, Housing ACT have said they're going to stop doing this during the pandemic, so hopefully this doesn't happen to you. But if it does happen, it's really important for you to know that Housing ACT can't make you leave your house. The only people that can make you leave your property is the tribunal, the ACT Administrative and Civil Tribunal. And so if Housing ACT want you to leave, they need to go to the tribunal, and a tribunal member, which is kind of like a judge, they will need to make orders that say you either need to pay the rent that you owe, and you'll need to show them that you can do that and commit to paying that rent, or you need to leave the property. So it's important for you to understand that, so that if you get that letter that says Notice to Remedy, that's the first step in this process, and that is the point to get legal advice. That's the point to call Canberra Community Law or Legal Aid and seek some help, because that's the start of this process. If you get a Notice to Vacate, definitely call Canberra Community Law, but also remember, you don't have to leave. You only have to leave if the ACT Administrative Tribunal tells you to. So that's really, really important.